Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Ollama and how you can run any model locally with Ollama. These days, Ollama has been serving a lot of models locally or in GPU based machines, and this is a good framework to support this activity. But why do we still need another modified way? Because Ollama provides Ollama pull to pull any model and run it, but still we need a different way to load our models. So we need to understand why and then how. But before we go into the why and how, I would request all my viewers the usual request. If you like the content of my video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let's go into the why now. Ollama has its own library, and in these libraries, if you see, there are models, and if there is a model which is available in Hugging Face, or you have a model of your own, or maybe a fine-tuned model of your own that is not hosted on Ollama, then you won't be able to run it through Ollama. But that is not the case. There is a way to run your models also and serve it through Ollama. So not only you a fine-tuned model you need to load through Ollama, but also there are in a case like when say if I go to Llama 3, you will see that it is a particular quantized model that this Ollama is serving. But as we know, there are multiple quantized models available for each of these models, LLMs. So if I need to run any different quantized model, and how to do all these things we are going to see now. So the trick is in the model file. It is very simple. We need to download and have the model in any location of our system, and then with this model file we can create or serve the model through Ollama. So what is the content of this model file? It's over here in the model file MD, which is the documentation of Ollama, and over here you can see there are from, which is basically the path of the model in your local parameter, template, and rest of the things are not mandatory. So we will see quickly one sample model file. So say if I take file 3.5 and want to run it through Ollama. So over here you can see if I click on the details of the model, then I will see it is the quantized 4 model version that Ollama is serving. But there are quantized 5 versions, 6, 7, 8 versions are also available. What if I want to run one of them? So this example I'm going to show you how I can do that. So I have to create a model file which is basically from the path of my local location of the model. Then I will put in few parameters like 0.0 or and then few others and user assistant. So where did I get all these values? So if I go for my case in particular, since I am using the template, I mean the same one that is was already available in Ollama model library, I can use it from here. So in template, I'm just putting in this thing, and then again the parameters over here, I have the parameters, I'm just putting in them these values in my model file. Quickly checking back again. So these are the template, this is the template, and these are the parameters. Along with it, one more, which is temperature. That's it. So my model file is ready. I save it somewhere, and then I can just go to that location and run Ollama create, then file name or the model name that I want it to be served as, and then this file name with the location. So I am at the command prompt now, and all the my model file is in this folder. So over here I'm going to type Ollama create the name that I want this to be served as, this model LLM. So this is 535, say I want it to be. Then the name of the file. So this is 53.5. Okay, I forgot to put minus F before it, and that's it. It will take some time, but after that we will be able to serve this model from Ollama. So after running this command, if I type Ollama list, it will start showing 535 as one of the models. That's it, it is done. Now Ollama list. So you can see 535 is the model that got 9 seconds ago modified. So now I will be serving 535 if I just type Ollama run, right? So this is one way how you can serve your own fine-tuned model or models that are not available in Ollama library through Ollama. Hope this video could help you in some way. So if that is the case, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for today.